Holy crap. Whew. Well, that was fun. What are you doing?
Today comes from musicians, and it's through their words, right? If you want to get a message like Tupac, you know, his message, he could have written articles, he could have done interviews, he could have made a film. Hey man, maybe there was one or two films that made a big, but those songs, you watch a film.
You gotta be kidding me.
Times in your life, you love it. You like a
Dutch, British, and Europol agents are declaring they have taken down a major player behind cyber attacks against banks, police forces, governments, and the gaming industry.
Wow.
They have announced the arrest of those.
What are you doing? You have got to be kidding me.
What?
What are you doing? You left the car in reverse, too.
Yeah. Well, the scary thing is, God.
Why is that necessary?
You're gonna be turning left regardless. Wow. That actually is a little tedious, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here he goes. Now he's trying to get over again.
No, now he doesn't. I don't know what he's... It's like every 2 seconds he has to throw it in reverse and change lanes. Oh, now he's going left. At a no left.
Oh my God.
Okay, he's going straight.
He rarely
Switching lanes again.
Now
they're blocking both. What?
From NPR News, this is All Things Considered. I'm Audie.